everyone, my name is Arifa Siddiqui, study in 6th Mithanagar MPS, Goregaon West. My class teacher name is Mohini teacher. Dear friends, as we all are in a lockdown situation because of the coronavirus, which is making people very sick, but don't be panicked. If you will take proper precaution and safety measures, you will save yourself from the coronavirus. Number 1. Wash your hands regularly at least for 20 seconds. Number 2. Cover your mouth with handkerchief or mask. Don't go close to the sick people. Number 3. Cover your mouth with tissue while sneezing and coughing, and throw the tissue in the closed bin or use your elbow sleeve. Number 4, don't avoid to going in the public places or the crowded places. Number 5, stay home and be safe. Thank you.